Okay, folks, so we do not have any worksheets for section 4 already made up. So what I'm going to do is do a short video of some problems for each topic. And when I send the email out, I will give you a image that has 4 or 5 problems on it for each topic. Okay, so we're looking at inverse functions to start with. And this is section 4.1. So the first inverse functions we're going to be looking at is when you're given the information in function form. So for instance, you might have f of 4 is equal to 3, and an inverse function is written as f to the negative 1. So they're going to ask you, if f of 4 equals 3, then what is f, the inverse function of 3? And this is really very simple. You will see how simple it is in just a second. Basically, all you're going to do is you're going to swap the x and y values. Okay? So the value that we put into the function is x. So over here, 4 would be our x value. The result we get is our y value. So if f of 4 is 3, then the inverse function of 3, so this would be our new x, it would equal our new y, which would be 4. So the answer here would be 4. And it's as easy as that. It really is pretty simple. So let's look at another one. If I have f of 6 equals negative 2, and they want to know the inverse function of negative 2, well, that answer would be just, again, switching these values. So the inverse function would be 6. And that's it. That's really all you're going to do for these problems is just swap the x and y values. So I've got one more video on inverse functions. I'll go over that in a second video. So for this, you've got a set of problems that came with the email. All you need to do is practice those, and you will be set for this part of inverse functions.